Hey there, Björkman Benediktsson from Audio Issues here, author of Step-by-Step Mixing, How to Create Great Mixes Using Only 5 Plugins. As always, I'm here to help you confidently finish your mixes so that you can be proud to release your records. Please remember to like and subscribe, and if you want to take it a step further and get my 7-step mix translation cheat sheet that helps you make all of your mixes sound great on any speaker you play them through, go to mixfinisher.com and download it there. All right, let's get into the video. All right, here's the big question. What plugin is the best? Which plugin should I use? To me, that's actually asking the wrong question. The question you should ask yourself is, what do I have that I can use to make my music sound the best? The best insert plugin here is the one that you have now or the one that you can afford. If you are willing and want to spend money on plugins, because we do tend to like that. But I'm gonna talk about what the plugins you really need before I talk about what plugins you should buy, because I'm not going to recommend any particular must-have plugins, because I want you to be able to learn how to master your mixes using whatever gear you have, and then if you can upgrade from there, all the power to you. But if you only have stock plugins to work with, then that's what you have to start, and that's fine. And if you have money to spend, go nuts for it. But what you really need is basically a linear phase EQ. Here's the Logic one, which is snazzy, and this is the FabFilter one, which is should actually be on linear phase here. And then you need a limiter. Here is the limiter from Logic. And here is the Ozone limiter in Ozone 9 Elements, which is a very affordable mastering plugin as well. Other common tools include saturation and stereo widening. And you'll also need some metering tools, like, for instance, the span frequency, the frequency spectrum, or the frequency analyzer, what's it called? Yeah. And then that is also available in Logic as just the multimeter. So you'll see the frequency response of your mix right here. All DAWs have this. They all have limiters, multi-band compressors, linear phase EQs, stereo analyzers, those sorts of things. So if that's all you have now, that's great, and it's quite enough to get you through this course. As for everything else, you can upgrade when you're ready. So just to recap, a linear phase EQ, a multi-band compressor, and a limiter. I thought about calling this Mastering with 3 Plugins as a course, but I think that's a little bit cheating, honestly. And then you can, if you want, and I'll talk about this, you can use saturation and stereo widening, and then a loudness meter and a frequency analyzer. And if you have those, you're good to start mastering your mixes, even if you don't have the latest and greatest gear in the world or on the market. All right, see you in the next video.